Okay, so using the GoPro right now because I don't have the SD card for my camera, but I got Najib here, my tire guy basically, and he's gonna be putting the Kanseis that we have sitting in the infamous shop on some tires. So let's go check them out. And yeah, I can just bring these to the car. And got 2 spare tires, Indy 500s that Larry is kind enough to donate to me. So we got tires for the new Kanseis. These guys. Sweet. All these crazy car projects in here. Damn. Thanks, man.
Of course.
These guys got one of them out. It basically looks like this. What's the style or design called?
K&P.
K&P, that's it. And actually on their website, and the infamous website, they have the RX7 running these exact same wheels. And it just looks good, so.
I'll get you in exactly there. We can start popping these open.
Cool, thanks, Jordan. Got a couple of decals. Woo!
Hold on, let me get the stories going.
Damn. New RX7 wheels. That's dope.
Yes.
Sweet, appreciate it, guys.
Of course. Yeah.
So, if any locals out there need wheels, Kanseis, hit up Infamous. It's time. Let's put these bad boys in the car. I quickly went home to grab the SD card, but now we're here at NJ's because he gave me a shout saying that the tires are mounted on the Kanseis. So let's check them out. Woo! There they are. Yeah, like you said, just burners, man. Literally. Yeah. And then I don't even know how much longer I have to be able to play around with the RX7.
Yeah, exactly.
So. Cool, dudes. All right, let's make some space in the back here. I'm just excited to see what these look like on the RX7. Because on the Infamous's actual webpage, on Infamous's website, there's a picture of an RX7 that's rocking the same wheels. And I think that style and design, specific design, just really look good with the body. So let's get these wheels in here. Good enough. And this is why I'm contemplating on using the XB for the winter. It just fits so much stuff. Cool. All right, Najib.
Hey, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
No worries. Let me know about the other ones.
Definitely. Thanks for doing that so quickly.
It's all good, bro.
Sweet,
all
man.
good. Yeah.
Sweet. Let's head back to the garage. Yo. This is not the right kind of music for this. We are scraping hardcore in the back. I'm gonna quickly pull over to see this. Yikes. Oh, just scratching the tire. That's literally touching. No bueno. It's still scraping really bad back there. But that's okay, we're only like 7 minutes away from the shop. All right, we're back. And as you can see, we kind of repositioned the cars in their parking spots. This thing's just been sitting on other people's wheels. But finally, we got a specific wheel design that I think is gonna look really nice with the RX-7. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. This thing ran out of gas. So I quickly ran to the gas station to fill up the jerry can. I've never actually filled this car up at a gas station yet, so. Definitely out of gas. Say goodbye to the bronze wheels. Trey came back the other day to take back his red wheels. Those were pretty cool, but I still like bronze better on the black. Like that actually looks pretty decent. But now we got new wheels. You guys like my high school playlist? Actually, skater music playlist. This is the stuff I'd listen to. Good Charlotte, The Used, My Chemical Romance, just like alternative rock, early 2000s stuff. Trey's here now, helping out. And also, actually, you know how I said he took back his red wheels? Well, he ended up trading them for these. It makes his SDI look like a toy or something. It's pretty cool. But these are 10.5 in width, but they look good. And now I'm just contemplating on buying these off him to put onto the RX7 because we got mad plans for the RX7 this coming winter, including a whole wide body kit. And you guys already know which one we're going with. We made a concept design of it, and this is what it's supposed to look like in a couple months. Right now I'm just kind of saving up and collecting parts. That's usually what Canadians do during winter. And then once winter is here, it's gonna be hard for us to move cars in and out of the shop, so. This dryness, we gotta milk it while it's still here. Yo, sorry. Woo! That looks sick! Patrick Star! I actually found those wheels where you could buy them. Really? Trade secret. You can buy the gummy bear wheels and the Patrick Star wheels on Alibaba or AliExpress. And they're only like 600 a wheel too. It's almost like bar stones. The next tier from replica wheels. Okay. See? Yo, I'm gonna lower the back. I know for a fact the rear is a little bit more higher. Damn. Okay, maybe we'll stick to gunmetal for a bit. I just wanted to match it actually. Same color as this. The same color as the engine bay. Don't forget the torque. Woo. Probably gonna bring it to 8 to get the wheel alignment. But other that's functional height. You know what? F it. Let's lower the front. Front's been lowered. Let's check it out. Yeah. I didn't want to lower it too much because, like I said, the side skirt, this sits lower than the front bumper by like an inch, maybe. Now I kind of know why those were non-existent when I got this RX7. Going over speed bump, this is like the first thing that gets hit. We'll make some canards and like a front splitter for this thing, just to finish up the front end. But yeah, so far so good, man. See ya. Thanks for the help, Trey.
Good one.
You too, man. See this thing rolling out. White on white, man. That looks good. Wait. What the heck? You know, I actually really like the design of the CanPs. It's very simplistic and super flat and very 90s JDM reminiscent, so I think it suits the FT perfectly. Thought of possibly powder coating it, this color, acid green, but I'm gonna try vinyl wrapping it since it's actually a pretty basic design and you can figure out the cut lines pretty easily. But that'll be the next RX7 video. Maybe, until the diffuser comes in, because we may already have ordered that. Okay, one special announcement. Anyone following the Instagram, you've already probably seen hints here and there, so it's no surprise, but in the next few days, we're gonna be taking a look at the new team base. So remember at the beginning of the year when we went to look at that one massive shop? Well, since then, the team and I have been working diligently behind the scenes at securing a new place, and it's rowdy, to say the least. The thought of coming up on 250K, even though in my personal opinion, took a little longer than it should have, and of course it being our 5th year anniversary, I find it exciting and also pretty fitting that the idea of outgrowing yourselves is becoming a reality. Yeah, That's pretty well put. I just really can't wait to show you guys. But for now, I'm just gonna end the video. So thank you again for watching me take wheels on and off, I guess. Good evening, good morning, good night, and drive! Go, go! Oh man, see.